What's going on, guys? This is Cali Car Guy here. Welcome to the channel if you're brand new, and if you're not, well, you guys know what's going on. Today I'm actually going to be working on the 240 right over there. I'm saying I'm a lot again. I actually ended up getting a body kit for it. I'll show you guys right now. Got my baby girl some new shoes, so I will be doing that on the next video, so stay tuned. But today we're going to be on test fitting on the body kit. You guys will see right now what type of body kit it is. It's not fully complete, I would say. I think it is complete to me, but yeah, stay tuned. Alrighty, so as you guys can see that the car's right in front of me, and look at that, the body kit is on. So this is of course the Type X body kit. I'm mocking it up right now. It will be permanently on there after this. You can see all the tape. Right now what I'm doing is drilling out the holes that I need to do, like drilling all the holes basically. And I am not using zip ties, so I'm using a drill and a drill bit, actually an impact gun with a drill bit. I got this body kit used, and it had these holes right here, this one and this one right next to the one I just made. You guys can see that. This hole I made, and this hole I made as well. I mocked it up and I put it to where the back, this fender, this hole right here, you see it? There's like a place where you can put a clip. Well, I lined it up with where there used to be clips, and then I drilled the hole, and yeah. Excuse me. On this side, well, of course you guys can see there's no holes for clips. So I basically drilled the holes, mocked it up, drilled the holes exactly where it aligns, and bam. I marked the holes already drilled on the body kit, and then later when I have a better drill, or right now I'm actually gonna go get clips, and I'm gonna freaking install the body kit completely. I'm using clips. I'm not using zip ties. I'm not using self tap-in screws. None of that. Quick example right here. I'm using these type of clips. These guys right here. And yeah, there might be a little bit of a gap, but it is what it is. I honestly don't care. It's just being mocked up, and then it's gonna be like that for a good while until I save enough money to prep the whole body with sandpaper and some Bondo here and there, probably, not too sure, and then I'll paint the whole car a certain color, and then yeah, she's looking fly. I mean, I like it. Just the side view. Damn, she looking fire. So this is how if you guys have never seen a S13 240SX, whatever you guys like to call it, with Type X body kit on with stock S13 wheels, that's how it looks like. And it looks, don't get me wrong, it looks pretty badass. I like the way it looks. Kind of, but not really. I got wheels sitting in the car right now for this, and I got coilovers sitting in the garage over there. But yeah, it looks pretty gnarly. I like it. Now I am definitely not getting the Type X front bumper. No, I'm actually gonna leave it like this. I'm gonna see how it looks like, and if I don't like the way it looks like, I'll probably end up getting the Type X front bumper, probably. And then if not, I'll just get a lip goes underneath the shark nose bumper, and it's OEM. I would have to order it, and we'll mock it up, and then we'll put it on the bumper. But yeah, I'm pretty stoked, pretty happy. This is what I've been up to. Saving money and then just buying car parts like a car guy would. You know, that's the whole point of this, you know, channel, Cali Car Guy, you know? Car guy, Cali. I live in California and I'm a car guy. That's all I've ever known. I've never been out of this state ever in my life. You know, I've only been in California. And that's why I give myself the name of Cali, California, Car Guy. Cali Car Guy. I know there's a lot of people that never came up with this name, and all of a sudden that I am working my way up, and I appreciate you guys for supporting this channel as well. All of a sudden there's people starting to steal this name. So please, if you see another channel with that name, please report it. If you see a page or another page that isn't me, please report it. I don't know, I like the view from back here. It just gives it that like aggressive JDM look, like you know, like just like look at my ass, I am sexy. And this is like the first mod I've ever done to my 240. Everything else, I mean, is all stock. So I mean, everybody has their tastes and their hates, but yeah, this is mine. Stay tuned. I will show you what kind of wheels I have on the next video, and please be patient with me. I am doing my best to upload videos as we speak. Yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.